everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today is the day that the class from NC State is arriving to do their first walkthrough on the property next door. My dear friend Ann Spafford is the professor, and she has 6 students that are coming today to walk off the property, take measurements, interview me for the landscape use, and then they will be coming back in about a month to present their different plans. I am just over the moon excited for this process to get started. It's a beautiful spring-like day here in Central North Carolina, Zone 7, and our forecast is looking great. So I am anxious to get started on, getting the groundbreaking done. Other steps that we've already taken, we've contracted with a landscaper who will install irrigation out in the front yard and do all the sod removal so that we can do proper bed preparation once we have a design that we have settled on. So stay tuned to see the progress that we make and get to meet some of the students from the class.
All right, you guys, we're in the house doing kind of a charrette, right? A little bit, sort of an interview process. Here are the students from NC State, and they're all taking notes. It's very exciting to see. And soon we're gonna go outside and start walking the blank slate. Just wanna say hi?
Hi, everybody.
Awkward moments on YouTube.
So what questions do you guys enhance it? Or do you want to screen off something? But let's just say you want to screen off that view. Is a 100% screen necessary? Most likely no. That usually just pretty much screams we're hiding something here, right? So you want to do it in a more gentle way. So you want to be cognizant of that. Proportionally correct. So knowing how tall is that elevation, and you need scale figures for that. So we'll use Thomas. Or if someone wants to pretend that they're safe, just on tippy toes, that's fine.
Right?
Yeah.
All right, you guys can do a little trick.
So here we have the checklist. The students are going to go through the site analysis, and then Anne did the most amazing job measuring everything last week and has provided a full survey, which we did not have. This house has never had a plot plan done. So that's a huge service that I am so grateful for. Shows the existing garden on my current property. There's that big taxodium. Of course, here is the house on the full property.
Thank you for having us. This is a fabulous learning opportunity. It's a great vehicle for student learning, and it's a wonderful clean slate. So you should end up with like 6 completely different designs that still tick all of your client wish list items and designs that are responsible environmentally. But because they're individual designers, you'll get completely different designs. It's fun for the homeowner because you get to see the range of opportunities.
This is the most incredible thing, you guys. Okay, wait, wolf packet.
I don't know how we do it.
I can't wait to see you next month.
I know, super exciting.
Oh my gosh.
Talk more about the schedule.
Well, I can't wait to see what the students come up with. They were just 6 brilliant minds. Anytime you have an opportunity to spend time with the next generation, you'll just feel full of hope for the future. And they all had such great questions, inquiring about how we're gonna use the property and, not wanting to be redundant since the 2 properties are next to one another. They know we don't necessarily need another workshop, but is there a potential for expanding the shed and how we would use it and what would we store in the shed? And they asked questions that I hadn't necessarily thought about, and I think that that is going to make this experience that much more valuable. Well, I can't wait to be able to give you the update video in the middle of March, and I thank you so much for watching.